Hello traders out there in Traderland. My name's Dez here at Grok Trade on Thursday, April 4th, 2013. Well, we got a little disappointing economic news to start off the day, and it looks like as far as news is concerned on the national forefront, it looks like all eyes are on diplomacy in a bid to resolve the North Korea standoff. And unfortunately, it looks like Roger Ebert has succumbed to cancer at the age of 70. And taking a look here at the markets as a whole, we have the S&P up 0.4%. Nice little bounce. The Dow up 56 points, up 0.38%. Nasdaq up 0.2%. Russell's up 0.76%. You'll see that the small caps bounced up more than the other major indices, which is nice to see after such a bleed out that it had the last couple trading sessions. Banks up 0.62%, really giving confirmation to today's pop. VIX dropping, but not by much, but nonetheless confirming today's pop, down 2.25%, now back below 14. Commodities are finally slowing the pace to the downside. You have gold down 0.29%, silver down 0.38%, crude oil off by more than 1%. Be watching precious metals. There could be a buy opportunity any moment now. US dollar down 0.13%, helping out the broad markets as a whole. And you see transportation only up 0.06, which is not confirming Dow's nice run. And the defensive sector, utilities, is up 0.9%, saying that people are moving into a defensive sector. Taking a look here at the S&P daily, you'll see yesterday we had a significant sell-off, but we did bounce here. And what's significant about today's white candlestick is not only is it called a bullish thrusting pattern, but it's also has a close above the rising 20-day moving average, which is pretty important. We need to see follow through, and I'd like to see a pop and a run above 1563, 1564 area. We'd really like to see that because of that resistance here, this resistance here. We really need to get above that. So don't hold your breath. However, if it happens to get above, let's hope that we don't get a sell-off closing down below it before day's end. If we do get that pop, we could start to just continue to churn northbound. Taking a look here at the Nasdaq, we had this significant drop closing below a trend line. No good. Well below the 20-day moving average. Today, we have a hammer. It could be hammering in a little bit of a bottom here, but the problem is we close below a trend line. It's on the wrong side still. As far as the Russells are concerned, we close below the 50-day moving average, the red moving average here, but then we are now back above it. This could be putting in a low, so we have what's called a bullish harami happening in the lower part of the red candlestick, which is still kind of bearish, but we did close near the day's high on small caps, giving us a good indication that we ended the day quite bullish, and there could be some follow through going into tomorrow. Taking a look at some popular stocks, Google was off today by 1.4%. So we did drop here. Now here's what's interesting. Big major trend line coming across here, and it stopped right at the rising 50-day moving average. We could bounce here, giving us a double bottom trend reversal pattern right here. Be watching a buy opportunity on Google if the markets go bullish. Apple is building a low base, which is really no good. We need to get some legs and take off. But I told you that anytime you get a pullback with expanding bodies, that's not a good thing. And on Facebook, now here's a disclosure. I've been in Facebook for a while. On this pop at support, I entered this. And so this is a nice little run. I think that we'll hit our head and pull back here soon, but big volume on this release. Yesterday we did have a close above a trend line confirming a breakout, and there it took off not too bad. And taking a look here at gold. Gold has a gap down, a run up. This here could be a morning star reversal pattern. We could start to see a rally here. Be expecting that as soon as tomorrow. A lot of people watching silver. Silver is pulling back on big volume, but we had some nice volume on this morning star reversal pattern. Be watching for a bounce. There you have it, the very best of technical analysis. Do me a favor. Miguel, who's doing our daily Spanish videos, is starting to do these. Go to his videos at the website. Leave him a comment. Just say thanks, good to see you back. Even if you don't know Spanish, leave some sort of comment. Let's welcome him back aboard. Let him know that we have viewers and people watching. So thank you for being one user and one trader out of 155 countries of those traders that watch us on a daily basis. Thank you very much. Take care and continue to share us with friends if you would be so kind.